We got some knives to sharpen. Let's check them out. So first one is a Benchmade. Second one is a Microtech OTF. Third one is the Leatherman Arc. So the first one was this Benchmade. This Benchmade, it looks like a stone coat finish, S30VN steel, and I believe this is the Bugout. We're just gonna do a sharpening, clean the knife up for this pocket knife. Next, this one's actually pretty sweet. So this is the Microtech OTF Damascus steel. So now this is a dagger or spear point style double-edged Damascus Microtech knife made in 07-2022. That's pretty cool. It's got a carbon fiber on one side, and then I believe it's aluminum on the other. Could be wrong. I really like that Microtech. Next is the Leatherman Arc. I reviewed this a little while ago. I really like this knife because it's extremely smooth as soon as you unlock it. It's got nice lever action, flick action, and close action, and it's not that big and bulky. The steel on this one is gonna be a Magnacut steel, which is one of the top of the line steels for a pocket knife. This one's gonna be nice and fun to sharpen. So now for this knife, he wants us to sharpen the knife, clean it up, disassemble, clean all the parts out, get inside all the nooks and crannies, and just basically do a deep clean on this pocket knife. We're gonna sharpen this one. We're also gonna sharpen this one. Sharpen and clean this one. But if I had to pick, I'm gonna have to say my favorite one out of these three is this Microtech. This is just an absolutely beautiful knife design. Look at that blade. Something cool about the OTF is on the actual switch itself, it's got a lot of ridges and an actual design on it. So it has a really good placement for your thumb, and it's actually really easy and smooth. Some of them are pretty dang tough to push out, but this one has a nice smooth action. Really like it. Really liking this one. And it's really lightweight, especially with that carbon fiber on there. And then the classic Bugout, can't go wrong with this one. And then the Arc. So we're gonna sharpen these in another video. I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing, show off what we kind of have. Looking forward to making these videos in the future. Thanks for watching.